Now let's take a look at our eighth and final question. So let's read it first. A lorry pulls forward after initially being stationary. Very important information there. It's initially stationary, so our initial velocity rather, as indicated by the word initially being stationary, u equals 0. Very important. It takes the lorry 40 meters, that's our distance, or s, to reach a speed of 8 meters per second. Reach a speed indicates that this is our final velocity. Calculate the lorry's acceleration. That's what they want us to find. So, final velocity indicated by v is 8 meters per second. U is 0 meters per second, as it was stationary. Acceleration, still unknown. Let's leave that as it is. And our distance is 40 meters. We can substitute these values into our equation. V squared equals u squared plus 2as. 2as meaning 2 times acceleration times distance. And after substitution, we get, as v is 8 meters per second, 8 squared equals 0 squared, let's put brackets here as well, plus 2 times a times 40, 40 being our distance. 8 squared, using our calculator of course, 64 is equal to 0 plus 2 times a times 40 would give us 80 times a, or 80a. We can rearrange this equation where 80a is equal to 64, and then simply divide 80 on both sides. So that a is equal to 64 divided by 80. And using our calculators, we can find out that that is equal to 0.8 meters per second squared. Our final answer.